pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
shortcake cookies. For this you will need 1 pound of plain flour, 6 ounces of caster super fine sugar, 8 ounces of butter, 1 egg, and I'm going to add 20 grams of currants, but this is optional. First, beat the egg. Warm the butter, add it to a bowl. Mix in the beaten egg. A whisk may be better than a spoon for mixing the egg. Now mix in the flour and the sugar. Sugar. Now add in the dead flies, currants. Give it a good mix. Knead well. Wow, that took a lot of kneading. It's a very kneady dough. I found it best to do it in 2 halves. Roll out to about 1/2 inch thickness. Cut into rounds with a 2-inch scone cutter. And place onto a baking sheet. I got 22 and a little one out of that mixture. Before you put them in the oven, you want to prick them over with a fork. Five minutes before the cooking time is up, dust them with caster superfine sugar. Bake in a slow oven. That's gas mark 2, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 130 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. Let's have one with a big dead fly in it. That's very good. Not quite up to shop-bought shortcake, so I'll give it a 16 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale. Still very nice. I'm missing Puy's live stream because I'm making biscuits. Hello, Puy.
1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.